Today's topic, Sciatica Unplugged. Hi, I am Giri Srinivasan, physiotherapist and your host of Ask Giri, the Physio Show. You ever feel like your butt or leg is under attack, but your doctor tells you it's your back? Sound confusing? You're not alone. Let's unravel the mystery of sciatica. I want to just tell you the story about my patient Mike. He's 42, a teacher, and he came limping into our clinic convinced that he pulled a hamstring. But here's a twist. His leg pain was actually coming from a small inflamed disc in his lower back. That's right, the problem was not where the pain was. Sciatica is a term people throw around quite a bit, but it's not a one-size-fits-all diagnosis. Sometimes it's a referred pain, sometimes it's radicular pain, sometimes it's radiculopathy, and sometimes it's all three together. Think of it like prank calls coming to your brain from your spine. The pain shows up in your leg, but the caller is your lower back. If you got a butt pain, hip pain, or leg pain that just won't quit, don't play guessing games. Give your physiotherapist a call, book your appointment today, and let the physio figure it out together. Your nerves will thank you. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a heart issue that caused pain in your jaw or your arm? That's referred pain. But did you know your back can refer pain to your leg in the same sneaky way? For example, take Priya. She's a 39-year-old nurse. She had this vague, dull ache in her thigh. She blamed it on walking too much at work. But the real culprit? A little cranky disc in her spine sending signals to the wrong address. There are two kinds of referred pain. One is visceral, another one is somatic. Visceral comes from the organs. For example, heart issues can give the pain to the jaw, the left side shoulder and arm. Somatic comes from joints and muscles. In sciatica, somatic referred pain might feel dull, deep and hard to pinpoint. It's like ordering pizza from one shop, but your delivery comes from another. Frustrating, right? If your pain doesn't make sense, if it is dull, stubborn and moves around, then scalp. We decode pain patterns every day. So, give your physio a call. Let's get to the source. You ever sneezed and felt a strap shoot down your leg? That's not a coincidence. That's radicular pain. And believe me, your nerve root is trying to tell you something. Let's talk about Jacob, a young dad, came to see us because he could not play soccer with his son anymore. Every time he moved, the electric bolt ran down his leg. We ran a few tests and sure enough, his L5 nerve was sending distress signals into the legs. Radicular pain is nerve root pain. It's sharp, it's shooting. It follows a clear path down your leg and it can come with burning, tingling and pins and needles. It's like a live wire under your skin and you don't want to wait around to see if it's all short circuit. If you feel that lightning pain, do not tough it out. Let's fix the fuse. Call your physio clinic, get assessed and get back to doing what you love. Here's something people don't always realize. Some of the most serious nerve issues don't scream in pain. They go silent. That's radiculopathy. Let's talk about Nora, a 65-year-old lady who's an active runner. She didn't have any pain, but she kept tripping. Her left leg felt off. She thought it was aging. But when she came into our clinic, it turns out a compressed nerve was quietly weakening her muscles. We caught it just in time. Radiculopathy means nerve function is lost. It can mean weaker muscles, reduced reflexes or numbness. Just because your car radio works does not mean your engine is fine. So do not ignore the signs. Weakness or numbness, call your physio. We will assess your nerve health and put together a recovery plan that puts you back in charge. You know what? Textbooks are great, but real life pain does not always read them. Sciatica can show up in a weird, unexpected ways. Tom, our accountant patient, had this patchy burning sensation in his calf. No back pain at all. His doctor thought it was poor circulation. But we looked deeper. We did a thorough neurological assessment and orthopedic assessment. It was actually a hidden disc herniation. With the right exercises and treatment plan, he's back to golfing twice a week now. Sometimes referred pain, sometimes radicular pain, sometimes radiculopathy, all show up at once. Sometimes the patterns are patchy or vague. That's why expert assessment matters. Not all sciatica are same. If your pain is a mystery to everyone else, come see us or call your physio in your neighborhood. We love solving these puzzles. Let's put the pieces together. Sciatica might have knocked you down, but it doesn't have to take you out. You can come back stronger. Remember Mike from the beginning we talked about? He's now walking pain-free and coaching soccer and playing with his kids without wincing. What changed? He made the call. He took the time to take care of himself. He took the first step. Physiotherapy works. Your body is built to heal, but nerves needs the right input, the right movement and the right timing. So here it is, your invitation. Call your physio clinic, book your appointment, take the first step toward being pain-free, powerful and back to your living life. Your comeback starts today. So that's it for the episode today. If you like it, please share and subscribe to your friends and family. Until the next episode, bye for now. Have a great summer.